Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you through the process of appearing offline on Facebook Messenger. Without wasting your time, let's start. Open the Facebook Messenger application on your device and then click on the three lines at the top left of the app. Then tap on the little gear icon here to open the Messenger settings. And when you open this page, you want to open the option which is active status. And you will see two different options in here. We have to show when you're active option and show when you're active together. So if you turn off the second option, then your friends cannot see when you're both active in the same chat, but they will see if you're on Messenger. And if you want to appear completely offline so that no one can see that you are on Messenger, then you need to disable the first option. And after selecting the first option, it's going to give you this little pop-up with the warning that after you turn this off, then you won't be able to see when your friends are active, recently active, or in a chat with you. So they won't be able to see that you're online and you won't have the green dot next to your picture. But you also won't be able to see if your friends are active. And that's how you can appear offline on Facebook Messenger on both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching.